Welcome back to Ask the Attorney. I'm Amy Rao Mohan here with Kevin Kennedy of the Kennedy Law Firm in Clarksville, answering all of your legal questions today. And we invite you to ask any type of legal question, whether it's civil, criminal, estates, personal injury. I think we've got you covered today. We got you. So we love to share. Takes a lifetime to learn all this, so we love to share and give it away. We can help you. Right. We've got Deerheart here on line 6, and I'm a little new to this phone system, but I'm going to try it. Deerheart, can you hear us? Deerheart, is that you? No, I think I picked up Mike from before. Let's see if we still have Deerheart over here. Deerheart, are you with us?
Are they eligible?
There we go.
Come back again under the same name?
Oh, Deerheart, can you start your question again? I'm sorry, I thought I had you at first, but now we can hear you.
And Deerheart, you might turn your TV down just a little bit, and you won't get the feedback.
Yeah.
Deerheart, can you turn your TV down and let me go ahead with your question?
All right, let's come back to Deerheart. I think, Deerheart, if you're listening, if you can turn your TV all the way down, we're going to come right back to you here. All right, Deerheart, can you hear us now? Deerheart? Just listen into the phone instead of your TV. All right, let's try this. Deerheart, is that you? All right, I'm going to try one more time. Deerheart, are you with us? All right. Well,
it wasn't meant to be for that second. Deerheart, you feel free to call us back.
Yes,
and for everyone else, turn your TVs down and it won't have the feedback, and it makes it clear for the whole audience to get to listen to.
Yes. Well, yeah, make sure you call that number back, 615-737-7587, and our producer will put you right through. And believe it or not, I think we've got another Rhonda here.
More Rhondas. Rhonda?
Rhonda, how can we help you today? Well, Rhonda, are you with us?
We missed her. That one almost made me want to sing the song, Help Me, Rhonda, help me.
No. Hi, Rhonda, are you with us today? All right, it may be my use of this phone, but we are having some technical difficulties. But Kevin, while we're waiting, and hopefully more people, and Rhonda, if you need to call back, please call back that number, 615-737-7587 or 737+. Tell us a little bit more about, since COVID, practice of law has changed a little bit.
Wow, oh wow. In Montgomery County, that's where I'm home base. The COVID situation really intensified because now, come February, 2 years. So all the serious cases have been bumped and bumped. Yeah. And so there is a massive backlog of cases to be tried. Let me tell you this, when you go in there to the court, there's a long line of defense lawyers that are waiting to talk to the district attorneys. So when we get in there, there's a certain amount of time you need to have yourself put together. Here's a tidbit for you. If you found yourself or a family member charged with some kind of domestic assault or whatever, then you prepare. The best case we can have is when the client and the attorney have the chemistry together. When I can fully believe in my client and they can fully believe in their attorney with my support staff and a family, we're a hard bunch to beat. And so we can go in and we can say this loud and clear. We know that bad things happen to good people. We also know there's a lot of misunderstandings, and that's why a skilled lawyer can look at the facts and explain it. If it's a reasonable explanation, and you can back that up with your witnesses or whatever material that you need, evidentiary documents to help support that. When there is a will, there is a way. And I really do believe that. And if I went to a lawyer and he said, well, you're already over, there's no way out of this, I would try to back up and excuse myself and try to find another lawyer. Because I really do believe in the power of creativity. I do believe in the power of ingenuity. I do believe in the power of imagination. So let us put all our faculties together, and that's what I would do and with my team. And so I want to always encourage you, never say, well, golly, it's over, they've confessed, I don't want to spend the money on it. I'll tell you, if it were Kevin Kennedy and his family, I'm telling Amy and her family, we're going to get the lawyers, we're going to get the best, we're going to prepare. Are we not?
Of course.
Are we going to march in? You know, Amy was just telling me during the break, she did one of those 2-week trials.
Yeah, two of them. And it's interesting during COVID because the jury's all around the courtroom because you've got to spread them out, and some are masked, some are not. It's an interesting situation.
So when I was doing so many jury trials in the older days, my secret was to connect with them. And I could feel the connection. I could see it in the eye contact and feel it in the smile. And I knew, are we winning or losing?
Yep.
We take a break for lunch and the client would say, Kevin, how we doing? I said, we're doing great.
Yeah, that's what we would do this time, although it was so hard because you couldn't see half of the jurors.
Come
and
on.
So you'd have someone in the back who'd say, well, I saw that juror do this and that, and you're trying to interpret everything. But
well, the bar, they were going into the pandemic, the lawyers were standing back, a lot of defense said, I'm going to file a motion. They can't try us. My glasses get fogged up when I've got this mask on and I can't see. I said, well, that is a brilliant argument, and that's what it was.
Yeah.
A brilliant argument. Now, the question is, did it work? No, it did not work.
But it was still a good argument.
It was a brilliant argument.
well, we've got people who are going to call in 615-737-7587. We're going to take a quick break and take your calls right after this.